Okay, mudbugger again. You know what? It's raining. That's not so nice. But we're not going home. I still have company from the best mudlarkers from the tanks. They're not used to running away for some bad weather, so we stay a while and maybe together we can find something nice. So I suggest you help me. Feel this blackish mud. It means it's recently disturbed, not yet washed by the tides. Small steampunk thingy, always nice. That will be a bottle stopper. Yeah, a green one. So that's nice. Take that one. You know this location, I've been here a couple of times and it's always a surprise. Under all these rocks, bricks, will be waiting something nice. And if not, I'll come back another time and try it again. Yeah, I like it. Take it. That's weird. Won't take it. It's class. A ring-like thing. Oh dear. Well, no. That's not a ring. Hardly possible. We'll take it. There's no high hopes on that one. There's now the ceiling rose, white porcelain, damaged, so don't take it. And Andy, thank you for the definition. Pencil, that will be from the gearbox of a truck, too big for a common car if I'm not mistaken. A plastic wallet. Yeah, well, take that one with me and see at home if there's something in it. Right. Lots of shoe parts here on top. There's another peeling knife. Oh, no, not really. It's just a wooden handle with a big knife, big blade. Okay, never mind. Hi Simon.
Hello.
How are you doing? You find something? Oh man!
Hey.
Oh wow! Hey!
Bit of gold.
Wow! That's special.
It's nice.
Hey, great!
With a stone as well.
Yeah, black stone
Yeah.
and lovely dark gold.
Lovely. Happy days.
Man, that's a good one.
Yeah. I'll go back down there and get some more.
Get some more. Wow. Okay.
Happy?
Yeah, sure. That's a good point.
Yeah.
Great, man. Great. Ooh. See that tile? That's another stove tile. And it's a pity it's not complete. Otherwise, I certainly would have taken it. So Simon had some gold as well. That's great. That's a good reward for staying here and not running off for a bit of rain. It's also a nice thing to me. Take it. So there can be gold, and I probably stepped over it, stepped on it. That's how it works. You see it or you don't. That will be 4 for the project. Oh yeah, with some brand on it. So that's a good one. Certainly love this one. And take it. I'm seeing stuff here. Is it something? Ooh, it's part of a pin. Part of a pin. Ah, something going on. Yeah. Okay, a broken pin. Some brass hook. Ah, yeah, that will be a door handle. Looks like a valve, but it's a door handle. So also here, good finds are waiting. So, Nicola is on the run. She's out of sight at the moment. Probably finding wonderful stuff. And I'll let you know later. Oh, what is it? I think it's part of some kind of machinery. It's brass or bronze. I love it. It's a good part. No idea where it's from. fantasy. Fantasy is when you keep dreaming of good finds and nice forks. Not exactly my type of fork, but take it. Not to be taken, indeed, not at all. So somebody is texting me. Is it some of you? Am I missing a marble again? Or a coin? Oh, there's an iron. Yeah, very heavy. Almost indestructible. An iron. You see, there are more here. Find them all over the place. And that piece is from a stove. The stove that was coal fed. You burn coal in it. And well, when I was a young boy, my parents had one as well. Some brass drawer handle, Empire look. Did you hear the bird? Was very close by, sitting, wondering what I'm doing here. Maybe so he wants me to go, which I will do, a bit later of course. That's again a bracket from the wallet. I see let's use, meaning I almost see coins. That's two of them. Probably somebody else found the coin already, and that's okay. That's what we're here for, finding stuff, enjoying ourselves. And collecting lead. Damn. So there's some textile here also. Can't be helped. City garbage is everywhere here. There's probably also some bracket of a lady's purse. Okay, I go down. Such a lovely little bird. Pencil? Yeah, that's nice. Brass probably. I hope it's got some name on it, inscription or brand name. Always good find, pencil. Copper wire. Take it. shoe. A worn shoe with a hole in the sole. Marble. Yeah, nice one. Bright marble. Always good to find. That's a coin. Yeah. Quick one. Yeah, good one. And here? No. Some piece of brass. The coin is good, and there is the lead seal. So everything works out fine here.